Hey guys, so we're here today at Woodward West and I'm going to teach you how to do a rock to fakie. So before you get into learning the rock to fakie, make sure you're really good at riding in the ramp, you've got your pumping down, and you're comfortable with the ramp you're going to be skating. Usually the first thing you're going to learn is to drop in, but then you kind of get this idea in your head like once I drop in, I'm going to be from here and I'm going to go over there. So I'm going to drop in, have a lot of speed, and then what am I going to do over there? Just jump off? Okay, that's one option. The other option is the rock to fakie. This is probably the most basic and easiest ramp trick that you could do, so it's a great one to start out with. A couple of the basics that you should understand before you're getting into the rock to fakie is how to not hang up on the coping. So this is the coping right here, this metal pipe, and it sticks out about a ½ an inch. So if you come up like that and you get stuck there, you're gonna fall backwards. And that is definitely what you do not want to do because that would be really painful. So you can kind of start out with a little bit of speed and just tapping it there. But you have to know that with your back foot that's gonna be down there, you're gonna have to exert some pressure down. So you're gonna get that front truck over, tap your board on, and then put pressure there that's gonna pull you back in. A lot of times it's easier to get into the middle of the board because you can actually go all the way up and have your front wheels hit there. So that's an actual stall. And then you're gonna pop back and then pop back in. But again, you gotta make sure you don't go like this. Boosh. In order to roll back in fakie, you're gonna have to be good enough going fakie. So again, that's something you can practice just on the inside of the ramp. Now with your weight distribution, you wanna have your weight mainly back. So you are going back into the ramp. If you get your weight too far out here, you're not gonna be able to roll back in, or your legs are gonna roll back in, but your upper body's gonna be this way, and that's gonna cause you to fall forward. So definitely don't do that. Notice how the majority of my body is back into the ramp at all times. You always want to keep your weight inside the ramp so that you can roll back in. Again, if you're too far like that, it's not going to work out. This is one of the most basic and essential ramp tricks to get down. So make sure that you learn it really, really well and you get super comfortable. And from there you can progress on to things like rock and rolls. A huge thanks to Woodward West for having us out here so we can skate these incredible facilities and make some videos for you guys. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 4. Gives you the basics of skating a skate park. It's available on iTunes as an iBook, as well as on BrailleSkateboarding.com as a digital download. Thanks again. Please click that subscribe button, click that like button, and leave your comments below.